On August 12, 2022, the literary world watched in horror. Salman Rushdie, a renowned author, was brutally attacked. It happened at the Chautauqua Institution in New York. Rushdie was preparing to give a lecture. A young man rushed the stage. He stabbed Rushdie repeatedly. The attacker was Hadi Matar, a 27-year-old. Matar was a dual citizen of the United States and Lebanon. Witnesses reported chaos and panic. The attack lasted only 27 seconds, but Rushdie was severely injured. He suffered damage to his liver and hand. He also lost sight in one eye. The attack sent shockwaves around the world. Rushdie had lived under threat for decades, but this attack was a stark reminder of the violence that could be inflicted on those who dare to speak freely. The attack raised questions about security and the price of free speech. It also brought back into focus the long shadow of the fatwa against Rushdie. Over 2 years later, the trial of Hadi Matar began. Jury selection started on February 4, 2025, at the Chautauqua County Court in Mayville, New York. The trial was expected to last for a week and a half. Security was tight. The court was taking no chances. Rushdie himself was expected to testify. This would be a difficult experience for him, but he was determined to see justice done. The trial was expected to be emotionally charged. The prosecution planned to present a strong case. They had video evidence of the attack. They also had eyewitness accounts. The defense team, however, faced an uphill battle. Their client had been arrested at the scene. The evidence against him seemed overwhelming. The trial was expected to be closely watched around the world. Hadi Matar faced serious charges. In the state trial, he was charged with attempted murder and assault. These charges carried a potential sentence of 25 years in prison. Matar's legal team, led by Nathaniel Barone, had requested a change of venue for the trial. They argued that the pre-trial publicity would make it impossible for Matar to receive a fair trial in Chautauqua County. They also pointed to the lack of an Arab-American community in the area. However, the judge denied their request. The trial would proceed in Mayville. Matar also faced separate federal charges. These charges related to providing material support to Hezbollah. Hezbollah is a Lebanon-based militant group. The federal charges carried additional prison time. The outcome of the trial remained uncertain. The attack on Salman Rushdie was inextricably linked to the fatwa issued against him in 1989. The fatwa issued by Iran's Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini called for Rushdie's death. It was in response to his controversial book, The Satanic Verses. The book was considered blasphemous by some Muslims. The fatwa forced Rushdie into hiding for nearly a decade. He lived under constant threat of assassination. The fatwa had never been rescinded. It continued to hang over Rushdie's head. The prosecution in Matar's trial was careful not to mention the fatwa directly. They did not want to prejudice the jury. However, the fatwa's presence loomed large over the proceedings. It was a reminder of the dangerous power of words. It also highlighted the ongoing threats faced by artists and writers who dare to challenge religious orthodoxy. The trial of Hadi Matar was about more than just an attack on one man. It was a trial about freedom of speech, religious extremism, and the enduring legacy of the fatwa against Salman Rushdie.